Today, I will show you how to make Thai ginger tea. It's a home remedy for cold and cough. If you want to know all the benefits, make sure you watch until the end. Sawasdee everyone! Monday, new recipe! So today I will show you a very healthy drink, Thai ginger tea. This tea is made of lemon, ginger and honey. There is many different ways to make it, but I will show you the traditional way. It's a bit longer, but it's much better taste. Just before we start, if it's your first time here and you want to learn how to cook Thai food recipes, make sure you subscribe and click the bell on notification to make sure you don't miss any of my recipes. I have 2 recipes every week. Alright, are you ready? Intro! First, we will start breaking the ginger into medium chunks and peel it. As we say in the beginning, ginger and ginger tea is good for cold and coughing, but also help reducing stomach problems, lowering blood sugar, and improving blood circulation. Overall, it really helps to improve body immune system. Once we finish peeling the ginger, we will rinse it. Optional, we can put on gloves. For me, this was the most difficult part of this recipe. Next, we will scrub lemon skin with salt. We will spend some time here and we will do it all over the lemon. That will help the lemon skin less bitter when we have to soak it in honey. To give you an idea, I'm scrubbing it around 30 to 40 seconds each. Once it's done, we will leave it like that for about 10 minutes. Before next step, we have to wash it well. Now, let's deep clean the lemon. Did you know that baking soda is not only used for baking, but it can be used for cleaning fruits and vegetables too? We will scrub it around 30 to 40 seconds each, same as with salt, and then we will leave it about 15 minutes before washing it. At this point, we want to make sure it's very clean. That's why we wash and rinse 2 times. Now, we will start to slice the lemon. Keep in mind that we will add lemon slice in our tea, so we don't want to have too thick or too big chunks lemon slices. And then, we will remove all the seeds. You will not like it if there is still some lemon seed left in your tea. It can stuck in your throat, and I don't want that to happen. Now, we will slice the ginger. Same as for the lemon, that will go in our tea. So, we don't want to have too big chunks. It's not a must, but I like to kill bacteria, especially in this time. To do so, I boil water and soak my jar for about 5 minutes. I don't have a good thong for the glass, so I have to use what I have. After our jar is dry, let's add the ginger and lemon slices. It doesn't really matter how we place the ginger and the lemon. We just have to make it balanced. That's why I alternate ginger, lemon, ginger, lemon. Then we just have to add honey gently to let it go through. Now we close it and check it to make sure honey is covering all the ginger and lemon. After we shake it, we can add a little bit of honey to make it full. Then we will close it for the last time and put it in the fridge upside down to make sure all the ginger and lemon slices will be soaked evenly. And we leave it in the fridge for 3 days minimum. You hear? 3 days have passed. Our tea is very good. Even you're not sick, I'm not sick, but you can feel that the tea is very clean your sore throat. You have sweetness by the honey, little bit of sourness of lemon, and very smell good of ginger. Perfect tea for the morning and for healthy, you know. If you would like to support the channel, I will put my Patreon page in description. Go to check it. As always, don't forget to subscribe. If you want to know how to cook Thai food recipes, share to your friends and shop that like button. Thank you for watching. See you next time. ขอบคุณค่ะ บ๊ายบาย